You can't force anyone to cancel anyone. It coming like me. Any man me talk to, them have to get famous. But not because me and them break up, means to say me I go come on the internet and tell everybody say, look, don't talk to my ex. Don't follow up my ex. Don't follow him, don't go on him live, don't watch him. I can't tell the people them what to do. Because the people them been follow him and the people them still follow him because they won't follow him because what they see. Me not see them I do nothing wrong for Jamaican people not for support him. Where the man are the wrong? I not see him just a walk. And we run some little joke was serious, yes, we're not accepted. But I'm not every time him stay. So you catch him today, he run a little one joke and go about him business. Tomorrow you probably catch him in a one good mood. Mr. Blam the man Jaden the worst. Every day. Worse. Them the worst. Then the worst. What if me did for said to you say, alright, you're a Jamaican, but you live in America. Why are you doing American ranking? Why you not stay in a Jamaican ranking? Why you not turn on your VPN and stay in a Jamaican ranking? Why are you doing American ranking? You're not an American. Why are you doing American ranking? Why you not stay in a Jamaican ranking? Why you not build a page and stay? What if me did for say that? He would have said me I come after him bad as a friend, you know, which me now come off, but I mean I want thing get it like say me and my enemy are, you know? But me even stood up for him because when me come on the live, you realize when me ball up Batman, I was talking to Damien. Everybody knows that some me and Damien run joke, not a serious. But then when I got serious was when Gage called out Dominium. You understand what I say? If you understand what I say, what joke to you, a dead to me. What dead to me, a joke to you. Certain joke where you can run with certain people, you don't run it with certain people. I would have never go live and call Gage Batman. I would have never go live go call Dummy Batman. I would go up on Swiss live go call him Batman. You know, so we did have argument that different, but me now go just run joke with you just like that. But I can run joke like that with Jaden because the type of person Jaden is. And Jaden run those joke with people, so it's nothing for me to run back joke with him. What you give to me, I will me dish out back to you. You understand what I say? I can't run jokes like that with Damien because Damien passing place with me. I now go run joke like that with Dummy because Dummy respect me on a level. Same with Gage respect me on a level. I now go up on Rosalie like go call her big and whatever because she respect me on a level. She now class me or call me certain names. You understand what I say? So when I shout out Batman to Damien and then me hear Gage say to Dummy, you realize how me hold my brakes there so and say why you would have said that. I don't even know if Gage jumped because of how me say it or maybe because of when me say single in jump. And I personally think that's where Dummy eager start coming now when Damien did say Dummy. When me call up Batman and Damien said Dummy, and from there so me feel like Dummy kind of feel offended by Damien. I call him in a way me I call Damien. You understand what I say? So from this, so Dummy feel away. But if you were there, you realize that me that stand up for Dummy. But then it went wrong now when Dummy asked Damien, where am I doing a Jamaica ranking? I think Dummy expected me to go with the flow with him as a friend. And then turn it pan Damien for say, yeah, where you doing a Jamaican ranking? You're not supposed to there. But when I think to myself, I say, boy, anybody can go in any ranking. What's the big deal about it? But Dummy start take it wrong. I think him vexed because I go down in the details. And I had to go down in details for him to understand why the man can actually be in Jamaican ranking. Guys, tell me if I'm wrong. The Dummy asks, where you in a Jamaican ranking for? My remarks to that was, Damien make one song about somebody, it go viral. Him get some Jamaican followers from that. Jamaican people end up get love Damien. Damien have Jamaican supporters. Damien and Jaden is friend. Jaden love act like him a president for #1. Damien realizes now that the team we have is so powerful where Jaden ever put it in him face that him can't get #1 whatever. So Damien come in the Jamaican ranking to go against him friend. Remember, friend, there are no enemies. Jaden and Damien is no enemies, they are friends. This is what is called a competition to compete. To see over team bigger than who can actually get the number one. So Damien come in the Jamaican ranking to go against Jaden and prove to Jaden say him could have get the number one. And because him prove to Jaden say him can get the number one, Damien and Donia depend live play. Damien and Jaden depend live play. Damien and Rosalie depend live play. Him and so many other Jamaicans are play. So the man get comfortable by staying in the Jamaican ranking. So the man continue to play in the Jamaican ranking. Because even though him going to Jamaican ranking, him not really in a competition with nobody like him. I got take away number one from John because John there one. Or I got take away number two from Mr. Damien in a Jamaican ranking already a rank. And when Mr. like people I say, where am I doing a ranking? Me see to my eye the man lock off him ranking. Because I don't want in a Jamaica passa with other people different from Jaden about the ranking. So the man lock off him ranking and just go on easy. I saw that for myself. The only reason I'm going down there because of him and Jaden. So the question to your answer, that is the question. Because him have a friend at Jamaica where the two of them compete. That's why the man going on the Jamaican ranking. And the Jamaican people, them accept him. They don't hate him. They actually like with him and F with him. So that's why I'm in the Jamaican ranking. Who is me? Who is you for telling man him care in a ranking? But you're going to feel a way when we go down in the details about that. But you didn't feel a way after you ask him, where am I do that ranking? Or you not feel no way when you ask, when you shout out and say Jamaican people them easily buy out. And Jamaican people them not stand with each other and them not pick up for each other, them easily buy out. You can't even say that. Because me 100% know say, if right now on Trinidad, Guyanese, Cuba, Bahamas, Bahamian, wherever them want come from, me know say, if somebody outside of Jamaica